Let's find out how to install grommets like these. You just need a few things. These are mostly from Wall Walk. First, use a ruler to evenly space out the grommets where you want them to go. Then you'll take one of the grommets you're going to install and draw the circle so that you know exactly how large your hole needs to be. Here I used an awl and a pair of scissors, but a punch does work better. This works okay too.
Be sure to add a strip of interfacing behind the holes before you cut.
Let's go over the terms while I install this first one, and then I'll be more specific.
You need grommets, a setting anvil, a punch, and a mallet. In this next part, I'll be more specific, and I'll also show you another way to cut the holes. See how I make 4 small snips? So here's the process slowed down.
Grommets have a different front than back, so you always need both. So you'll take the front and put it through the hole, making sure that it's pushed all the way down into the hole and that the fabric is not pushed forward but all the way back. Next, I'll take the back and pop it on to the front.
Then I'll lay the front down onto the setting anvil. You must have the same size setting anvil and punch as your grommet.
Next, I'll put the punch down into the grommet and hit it with the mallet a few times. That's all there is to it. They're already in there. Look how easy that was. Now you know how to do grommets too. Are you going to try it?